Hi, my name is Shani, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to introduce myself as well as let you know what you can expect from my channel. So, I'm originally from Maryland, born and raised, and I currently reside in Los Angeles, California. I've been in California for almost 8 years. January will be 8 years. So with that being said, I love it out here in Los Angeles. I do not miss the snow and the winter weather and the seasons. I love sunshine. I love the beach. And so I'm enjoying myself in Los Angeles. Just like many of you are multi-talented and multi-gifted, and I am one of those individuals. And for years now, I've been getting a lot of feedback and comments where people are admiring my work and my food, enjoying the flavors and the taste. So a lot of people have been telling me, why don't you start a YouTube channel or some way to share the information with other people? So that's exactly what I'm doing here, and I'm super excited about it. Some of the things that you can expect to see on my channel include life hacks, DIY projects, which I love, food, who doesn't love food, really great tasting and flavorful food. Let me just kind of interject. I am a little over a year on my vegan journey. Prior to that, I ate pretty much everything. But I am a little over a year on my vegan journey, and I am enjoying it. I'm still liking it. And I've learned a lot about myself and about food. So you can expect to see some really, really quick, easy, flavorful vegan recipes on my channel. I love fashion, and so we're going to talk about fashion. I also enjoy and change up my hair quite often. I am a natural girl. I did go through a phase where I would blow my hair out to get it straight, but I decided that I like my natural curly tresses and didn't want to continue to blow my hair out. So with that being said, we're gonna do some hair tutorials and how-tos. So that is what's in store. So hopefully you're just as excited as I am. Make sure you like this video and also subscribe below, because you don't want to miss out on any of this goodness. Also, make sure you check out my first video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. We are gonna have so much fun. Bye!